What's up? What's up? What's Gucci? Hello, you guys. Let's get into this Barbie Fantasia. We are going in with the Raver shade. This is an eyeshadow base from Fabuulouz, you guys. I'm putting this all over my crease, and on the outer corner we are going with this Barbie Fantasy. I am a blondie now, you guys. Yes, I am. And after I put on that base, we're gonna go in with Pink Flash from the Lunar Beauty Strawberry Dream palette from MANNY MUA, you guys. And you guys, that's why I use the pink shade. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, darlings. And then from the palette from Life's a Drag, we're taking that white shade and really brightening our brow bone. Yes, we are. Now I'm taking the Fabuulouz eyeshadow base in blank canvas. I'm gonna go ahead and blank my lids out. Yes, we are. Yes, darling. Yes, we are. So you guys, I wanted to go in with this Barbie Fantasy today. I was feeling it since I'm a blonde beige now. So I'm gonna just pat this all over the lid and really blend it out. Now I'm gonna take that same white shade from Lunar Beauty with Life's a Drag, taking that white shade and really dusting it off, you guys, because I don't want it to be too opaque. I just want that little, I just want to pat it on. I don't want it to be too cray. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat that on with a fluffy brush, you guys, and it looks so gorgeous. Yes, it does. It looks very bomb. Now, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and color correct with the ColourPop concealer. I always do this, you guys, especially since I'm a Barbie today. I'm a fat Barbie. Yes, I am. I'm owning it. You guys, I need to color correct this beard, this discoloration. Yes, we are. And then I set the, I set this color correction, you guys, just so it doesn't budge or move. Now, let's go in with the Too Faced new foundation. This is the Born This Way matte foundation, and you guys, I loved it. Excuse my big planet on the right side of my face. And I'm just using a brush for coverage, and I always love to use a sponge for my forehead. I do not like to look cakey up there. Now, this is going to be a quick toot, you guys, a quick tutorial. This one is the Juvia's Place in the number 8 concealer to really contour and bronze this Barbie up. Yes, we're a Barbie today. Anyway, guys, so the reason why I'm doing a voiceover, I'm so sorry, you guys, and you see me talking in this footage, you guys, is because my microphone wasn't off. Yes, YouTuber troubles. Whoops. I was having trouble with my mic, you guys. I didn't even notice that it wasn't on throughout the whole damn fucking video. I'm so sorry about that, but we got to keep this Barbie dream going. So I just decided to do a voiceover. And so now I'm just snatching up my jawline because, you guys, I got some pounds on, I got a double chin. So I got to cut that, I got to cut it. And these cheekbones need to be looking lifted. And we're a chubby Barbie today. We are going to be a chubby Barbie. Yes, we are. Yes. And you guys just want to make sure to use that same foundation brush whenever you're contouring and go over the harsh edges. And now we're going to use the same concealer, the Juvia's Place, in the shade number 16. And this one's the lighter one, going under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, and the forehead. And we're going to go ahead and blend this out. I love this concealer for coverage. You guys, make sure you guys follow me on all my social platforms. Yes. Yes, darlings, Barbie. Okay. Now, after I blend this out, I'm going to go ahead and just on the cheeks use the JEFFREE Star Concealer. This one is in the shade C14. This is a brightening ass concealer, you guys. So I'm using it everywhere I highlighted before. And I really like to highlight the apples of my cheeks and then build and really blend this concealer up. You guys will see right now. Like, look at that. Like, look how brightening and sickening this is, darlings. Like, look. Ooh, yes, child. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the banana powder from actually Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm really gonna bake with this powder puff, you guys, going all around the edges of the nose. We can't be looking like a creasy beach. We cannot. No, Barbie cannot be looking like a creasy ass beach. So yes, you guys, I will use this powder to bake on the forehead, under the eyes, on the nose, and I'll put some a little bit on the chin and upper lip area, you guys. After this, I'm gonna let this sit, and we're gonna go in with the HOOLA caramel bronzer from Benefit. And I'm going to use a fluffy brush because Barbie needs to be looking a little bronzy as well. Oh, yes, yes, yes. We need to be looking bronzed, but highlighted and pink all at the same time. Yes, we do. It's not even an option. You guys, and this is a 7-minute video, you guys. Don't worry. You guys, I had to give you like a little quick tutorial on how to look like a Barbie every day. Anyway, so now I'm taking the Twilight shade blush from Lunar Beauty. This is the Moon Blush Prism palette, you guys. Let me say that correctly. It is the Moon Prism Blush palette. And I'm really gonna like really emphasize this on the cheeks because Barbie has a really pink, you know, kind of look. But I don't want to look too cray either. So now I'm going in with the Soil shade, you guys. This one has a little bit luminosities, but I'm only keeping that on the apples of the cheeks, you guys. Now we're going to brighten up this look with a kohl pencil. This one is from Wet n Wild. I do not know what shade it is, but I will definitely leave it down in the description box below, you guys. But it's a really brightening pencil. You guys see Barbie just needs to look awake. Now I went ahead and aligned my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner. I forgot the shade name, you guys. I will leave it down in the bottom bar, but I am using Kylie Cosmetics in Candy K. This is their liquid lipstick. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you guys. Don't forget. But that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I want to leave it here. Last step, I did went in with the Buxom Ryan lip gloss, you guys. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.